Minnesota Governor Tim Walz is under escalating scrutiny as state and federal officials examine allegations of widespread fraud tied to government programs operating under his administration. The governor recently acknowledged that responsibility for oversight ultimately rests with his office. Speaking during a public appearance focused on state family and medical leave initiatives, he emphasized that accountability applies not only to accomplishments, but also to failures, stating that when problems occur, responsibility ends with him. Those comments came just one day after he announced that he would not seek re-election, a decision that has intensified political debate across the state. While the governor framed his choice as a personal and family-based decision, critics argue that withdrawing from the race does not resolve ongoing questions about oversight and accountability. In Washington, congressional Republicans are preparing to move forward with formal subpoena procedures. Lawmakers say they intend to compel testimony regarding what state leadership knew about alleged fraud schemes and when that information became known. The matter is expected to be reviewed by the House Oversight Committee, with legal steps underway to ensure compliance. The governor has defended his administration by highlighting what he describes as an unusually transparent leadership style, citing frequent press briefings and public appearances. He has also suggested that the investigations are being politically amplified, accusing former President Donald Trump of leveraging the situation for political advantage. Trump, meanwhile, has sharply criticized the governor, claiming he was directly involved or aware of major fraud operations. He has also indicated that additional Democratic officials may face scrutiny as federal investigations continue. The governor has denied any wrongdoing, arguing that the situation reflects a broader political effort to undermine opponents. He maintains that stepping away from the campaign was necessary to avoid further distraction and believes the decision serves Minnesota's best interests. Still, calls for resignation continue to grow. State leaders and watchdog groups point to the scale of alleged losses, estimated at nearly $9 billion, as evidence of systemic oversight failures. Federal prosecutors have charged nearly 100 individuals in connection with fraud-related crimes since 2022, and authorities signal that additional indictments may follow. The controversy has also expanded to include scrutiny of the state attorney general, following the resurfacing of an audio recording from the early 2000s allegedly linking him to individuals later convicted in fraud cases. As investigations progress, the governor faces increasing pressure to cooperate with federal authorities and congressional inquiries. Whether he will ultimately testify remains unclear. The situation marks a dramatic shift for a political figure once viewed as a rising national leader. Analysts say the outcome could have lasting implications for Minnesota's political landscape and for public trust in state institutions.